This week's top 5 news stories. In at number 5. According to Boeing, the Asia-Pacific region will have the greatest global demand for new civil aviation personnel over the next 20 years, with the region projected to account for 33% of the global need for pilots, 34% for technicians, and 36% for cabin crew. Number 4. easyJet has chosen the advanced network simulation solution Amadeus SkySYM to improve the reliability of its flight schedules by simulating airline schedules in the planning stage. At 3. KLM UK Engineering has signed a long-term heavy maintenance agreement with Alliance Airlines. The company will provide heavy maintenance support in Norwich from summer 2018. In at 2. Ryanair is investing $200 million at London Luton Airport with 2 new based aircraft for its winter 2018 schedule, taking its based aircraft at the airport up to 6. Ryanair's winter 2018 London Luton schedule will now deliver a total of 21 routes, which will help to deliver 2.2 million customers per year. And our top story this week. Gyrowings is close to completing a project to integrate 77 former Air Berlin aircraft into its fleet. The jets were previously sold off or leased out by the respective owners following the airline's bankruptcy in August 2017. Gyrowings has been integrating the 77 aircraft into its fleet over the past 9 months, with 1 aircraft left to join. That's all for this week. For more news and information, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media.